Hi, my name is Paul Diedrich, and I'm an exercise specialist. Today, I'm going to illustrate the 2010 exercise program that Dr. Arem has designed to help you lose weight efficiently by boosting your metabolism. This means you burn more calories even long after you have finished your workout. For optimal weight loss results, I recommend that you follow the Protein Boost Diet Eating Plan, which is a unique diet that embraces important fundamentals conducive to weight loss and also designed to speed up metabolism. The 2010 exercise program combines 20 minutes of aerobic exercise a day, which includes a high-intensity interval training and 10 minutes of structured strength training a day. Doing the 2010 exercise program on a regular basis will make you burn more fat even when you are resting. You can do this exercise at home, in a hotel room, at the gym, or by the pool. Let me show you what the 20-minute aerobic protocol looks like. Now we're going to show you the general guidelines of the 20-minute aerobic and the 10-minute strength training component. But we're going to first dive into the 20-minute aerobic. Remember, this is high-intensity interval training, not to be done every day. Try doing this every other day. The days in between, you should still be doing 20 minutes of cardio, but do more of a steady state type of cardio to allow the body to recover with the days in between. When you're actually doing the 20-minute high-intensity interval training workouts, what they involve is short, quick, maximal bursts of intervals to push the heart rate high as you can make it. Envision the heart rate going in peaks and valleys. The valley is going to be the recovery component. So after you push for the interval, you want to allow for that recovery component. The beautiful thing about doing high-intensity interval training on an every other day basis are the benefits that you receive from it. First, it's going to help your overall resting metabolic rate, which means you are going to burn calories even outside of the workout. There's two main reasons that your resting metabolic rate and your metabolism overall starts to improve. One, chemicals and hormones are released into the body to allow that metabolism to raise. And second, the lean body mass starts to improve. By fine-tuning and improving your lean body mass, it's like the body's engine. You're making it much, much more efficient. So overall, you're not only burning more calories in the workout, but from a long-term perspective, even while you're sitting at your desk, your body's going to be burning more calories as well. For high-intensity interval training, you can do any form of aerobic activity. And as a reminder, high-intensity interval training should only be done every other day. On those off days, make sure you're doing 20 minutes of just steady-state cardio. We're going to dive into 3 specific types of aerobic activity. The first is going to be walking/running. The second, we're going to show you a stationary bike. And the third, we're going to give you a quick idea on how to incorporate into a swimming workout in the pool. So we're going to give you an example of a walking/running high-intensity interval training workout. As a reminder, this can be done with all levels. This particular workout is going to involve 15 seconds of a fast burst or power walk. For you runners, it would be 15 seconds of a faster jog. Then you immediately follow that by a 1-minute more recovery component that would be like a brisk walk to allow that heart rate to come back down. For you joggers, it would be bringing it to a slower paced run for 1 minute. And you're going to keep doing this for a total of 20 minutes. Here is what a power walk would look like as a burst to build up for that 15-second interval. And then don't forget to allow your body to that 1 minute of that active recovery. For you runners, that's what the 15-second high-intensity interval looks like. So now we're going to show you a high-intensity interval training workout that can be done on any piece of cardio equipment. The workout we're about to show you can be done on a treadmill, can be done on a Stairmaster, but we're going to concentrate on the stationary bike. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with 2 minutes of a warm-up, just getting the legs moving. I'm not dying here. I just want to get the body moving, get the heart rate slightly elevated. What I'm going to transition into is that interval, that first one. It's 30 seconds. Here we go. You want to go hard enough so that you're feeling the legs start to work. At the same time, you're going to start to feel that heart rate increasing. It may become a little bit more difficult to talk, but you want to make sure you're going hard enough for that full 30 seconds. Each of you is going to be a little bit different, so you only push your body to where you can go. Once that 30 seconds starts to get to the end, you start to feel it a little bit, we're going to give you a full 4-minute rest. You still keep the legs moving. This is an active rest before you jump into that next 30 seconds. You do it for 4 times in total, 30 seconds of going hard and fast, followed by 4 minutes of recovery for a total of 20 minutes. As your body starts to get stronger, we're going to give you one more progression to that. This time, it's a 5-minute warm-up. Then what you're going to move into is 30 seconds of work, again, as hard as you can go, feeling those legs, feeling that heart rate, huffing and puffing, and you now only get 2 minutes of recovery. So this would be more of an advancement to that first workout. Remember, the recovery, you keep the legs moving, but you want that heart rate to come back down so you can push really hard on those 30 seconds when you're working. And this is to be done 30 seconds of going, 2 minutes of rest for 20 minutes total of your high intensity interval training workout for the bike. Here's an example of a 20-minute high intensity interval training in the pool. You're going to start out with a 30-second fast-paced swim to get that heart rate spiked. Then allow the body 1 minute of recovery, literally just stand around in the pool, immediately followed by another 30-second hard fast-paced swim with 1 minute recovery. Do that for a total of 20 minutes. Now, as you progress, as the cardiovascular system gets stronger, you can start to minimize or pull back your recovery. What it looks like is 30 seconds of fast-paced going, followed by 30 seconds of recovery instead of the minute. After you've done the 20 minutes of aerobic training for the body, whether it be regular or high-intensity interval, you then move into the 10 minutes of exercises targeting muscles. This is what Dr. Arem refers to as the perfecting 10. So here are the details of the perfecting 10. First, it involves 7 different workouts. Each has a different focus or area of the body, if you will. When broken down, there's 5 exercises per workout. 30 seconds of actually going through the exercise. This equates to about 10 to 15 repetitions, followed immediately by 30 seconds of recovery, which is just enough time to move from exercise to exercise. Each day has a different focus, or an area of the body, if you will. Overall, there's a heavy focus on core and abdominal breathing. When you look at each individual day, it has 5 exercises for each workout. It involves 30 seconds of continuous movement, so this is about 10 to 15 repetitions in that 30 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of recovery, which is enough time to transition to that next exercise. The benefits of the Perfecting 10 is a slim waistline. Because we have such a heavy focus on core and breathing, we're going to be able to target those muscles and really make sure that we're hitting those areas that you want. We're also going to help you to build lean muscle. Now remember, the building of the lean muscle is like the body's engine. This is going to help raise your metabolism or improve your resting metabolic rate. Metabolism goes up. And finally, it's going to help you tone and strengthen the entire body. After finishing the cycle of the 7 days of the Perfecting 10 workout, we're going to have you repeat the cycle in the same sequence from day 1 to day 7, as I'm about to show you on a day-by-day basis. For healthy, effective, and long-term weight loss, don't forget to follow the Protein Boost Diet eating plan and take Dr. Arem's amazing supplements. And doing all of this will help make your metabolism regulating hormones work more efficiently.